Can we do it?
Can one drone do every job? Here's why the answer is no. When most people think about drones, they imagine one machine that can do everything. Capture videos, spray crops, inspect bridges, create maps, and even monitor construction sites. But is one drone really capable of doing it all? The answer is not quite. Just like you wouldn't use a racing car to transport heavy cargo, different drone missions require different capabilities. Each drone is designed with a specific purpose in mind. An agricultural drone is built to carry liquid payloads and cover large fields efficiently. A mapping drone focuses on flying highly accurate flight paths to collect consistent aerial data. Inspection drones may carry specialized cameras or thermal sensors to support infrastructure assessments. And drones designed for aerial photography prioritize stability and high-quality imaging. The mission determines the drone, not the other way around. That's why professional drone operations begin by understanding the objective first. Once the mission is clear, the right drone, payload, and flight plan can be selected. Organizations such as Garuda Aerospace deploy different drone platforms based on the operational requirements of each project. So the next time you see a drone in the sky, remember, it's not just about flying. It's about using the right technology for the right task at the right time. Because in professional drone operations, one drone doesn't do every job. The right drone does.